Greetings, energy engineers and energy professionals. I want to introduce you to the Ultimate Technical Training Center. If you're coming from the Nairobi CBD, you take Mombasa Road, it's about 15 to 20 minutes, just next to Signature Mall. And if you're coming from Mombasa or Machakos, you still take Mombasa Road. We are located next to Sabaki, Total Sabaki. Yeah, Total Station Sabaki. So our location is this one. We are located at Swastik Business Park. You'll see the Alphacam Limited poster just right here. In the right place. Then come with me. Karibuni. So when you come to a training center, we have some technologies that can actually benefit your training, especially if you have a technical audience. For instance, we have the solar thermal dryer. This is a new technology that we're just testing out. We will show you how it goes. We also have a portable solar PV system that you can actually bring out into the sun and show your team how solar works. You can show them the hybrid technology and other technologies for solar that are available. We also have different real-time energy monitoring gadgets. Some are meant for the heavy consumers like the commercial, industrial, and some for residential. So come with us.